Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's me up there with my Best Inspiration Kitchen channel. Welcome to a new program, a healthy lunch program. In the next coming videos, I will guide you to prepare a healthy lunch recipes. An ideal lunch for me should contain minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat, and protein. Carbohydrates and fat provide energy, and protein is essential for structure and the function of your body. Today, I'm gonna share with you a healthy salad and a healthy main course. You will really love it. Stay with me. Let's do it together. I will start to prepare my salad. I need cherry tomato. Both colors, I can use them. Cucumber, beet leaves, lot of energy, and spinach leaves, and basil leaves. Just roll them like that. A bit tuna. Perfect. And I have here a little bit parsley, chopped parsley. I have here a bit onion. Something optional if you want to add it. I have pickled onions here. Now I will prepare my dressing. Mustard, little bit honey, with olive oil, and a little bit lemon juice. I will add. Just squeeze it. That perfect. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Perfect. We'll mix everything. So here I have mustard honey dressing. We'll add it to my salad and start to mix everything. For the main course, today I'm gonna prepare shrimp with mushrooms. You will really love it. So in a hot pan, olive oil, and I have chopped garlic. Perfect. Chopped onion. Okay. Give it a stir. Mushrooms. And give it stir. Cherry tomato. Two colors, and choose two colors. Like that we have beautiful plate. Also because the eye should eat. Fresh thyme. Now my shrimps. Clean them correctly. You see. These three pieces I need them for decoration later, so that's why I will put them like that. Now, time to season. Salt, black pepper. Smells wonderful. And some chopped parsley. Give it like a stir. You see beautiful colors here and the smell is great. So I will cover it and see you later. My time to add lemon juice, or just squeeze it like that to have balance in the flavor. Perfect. To serve our salad. Healthy salad. Everything, protein, energy, fat, as I said before, vitamins, minerals. That here. Border. It's a perfect salad. Now time to serve main plate. Of course, it's a beautiful recipe. Rich. Main course, you can use rice, that you can have your carbohydrates. Perfect. And I'm gonna put this one decoration. Add some lemon, but I prefer to put it just here. It's perfect lunch. So as I said, here is our one of our healthiest lunch. You will really love these recipes. So as you see here, our salad, tuna salad and shrimp with mushroom as a main course. You will really love this recipe. Hope you will try it at home, and see you next time. Another video, another healthy recipe, and bye bye.